In the step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a trust badge in Wix, a web development platform that lets businesses foster online credibility. Let's start with opening the Wix editor for your site. This editor is the control room of your website, from where you'll perform most website customization tasks. To add trust badges, move your cursor towards the left corner of your screen. You'll be able to identify a side menu with various icons. Among these, look for a four-square icon. This icon represents the Add Apps option. As you click on this option, the magic of adding various functionalities to your Wix site begins. As soon as you click on Add Apps, a new window will pop up. This window showcases the versatile app market of Wix, from where you can add a multitude of apps to your site. But since we're focused on adding trust badges, the next step is to use the search bar in this pop-up window. Type Trust Badges in the search bar and hit search. By doing this, the system will filter out relevant options for you related to trust badges. You'll now be presented with several options, all having different types of trust badges. Take a moment to explore these, and when you're ready, click on the one that says Trust Badges. Upon clicking, a new page dedicated to trust badges will open up. On this new page, look for a button saying Add to Site. As the name suggests, clicking this button will initiate the process of adding trust badges to your Wix site. But before that, another pop-up will show up with terms and conditions. Review those, and when you're ready, click on the button that says Agree and Add. With the click of this button, the process of adding a trust badge to your Wix website begins. Remember, this might take a few seconds, so be patient. Once the badge is added, the settings window of the Trust Badge app will open. This is where you can personalize the badge. You can now choose the type of badges you prefer, customize their style according to your site's theme, and finally add them to your site. With this, you have successfully added a badge of trust to your Wix site, boosting its credibility. I hope this tutorial has been helpful, and happy web design.